the tree.
Yeah?
So you need to.
Wow! Ah! I need for my remote control car. Wow!
Roshan, bring it here.
Okay.
There.
Okay, that's very hard to open. Hey, can I have this? Oops. Hey, open this with my bear. Maybe I think we need to take that like. Here's the remote. We can't fold it. Wait, what color?
Wow.
What color
Okay.
is this?
Oh, that's bumblebee.
It's not a bumblebee. Bumblebee transforms into a Camaro, and this looks like a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Yeah. Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? Hey. Why is this leaf down open? Hey, wait.
So you're gonna put batteries inside.
Wait, where's the screw?
Roshan, ask mommy where's the batteries are.
There's on the old screwdriver.
Huh?
And screwdriver.
Oh, why? Thanks, Mum. Wait, no, I didn't ask for the screwdriver. I asked where is the screw. How do we open this?
Bring it here, I'll help you.
There's no screw. Oh, wait, of how to open this. Hey, what's this on the glass?
Roshan.
Okay, so now I've opened the remote control lid, and it needs 2 batteries. So I think is this good? Is it correct?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay, the spring goes right here at the back. Hold on. The spring goes right. It touches here. The battery is supposed to touch the spring. Yeah, and then you just put it in. Hey, hold on. This one's the correct one. Wait, I know. I think it's the same like my old car.
I think the battery. You need to put it in the same battery. You put battery for this Panasonic.
Yeah, about the Panasonic.
Listen, that's your car, you put batteries.
Wait, that's the correct one.
One more battery.
Wait. Yes, I'm correct. Oh, is this the
Yeah.
type of battery? See? Look.
Wow, okay. How you put.
Hey, I think. You see here, this cover lines up with here.
First for this one.
Okay, so we have to insert it here and then push it down.
Okay.
Now we have to
Feel
take.
test.
Now we have to take off this sticker.
Okay, leave it there on the floor.
Hold on. Maybe we need to put this on. Okay.
What is this?
Oh, that's part of my motor.
Alright, okay. What? What?
How do I make it go straight?
You figure out. Yeah.
conqueror of Iceland. March! March! You're the evil dragon. Charge! Charge! Charge!
Do it calm mode.
It's already in common.
Okay, try. Straight.
You're the one who conquered.
Stuck in the carpet.
Yes, oh yeah, if you want to go backwards, Daddy, show them the remote. If you want to go backwards, go press that. That makes it go backwards. And if you want to go forward, you do this. It makes it go forward. Yeah? And I don't, and since that, hold on, that makes it turn white. Okay, left, right. Hey, this is left and right. This is right and left.
Transforming mode.
Okay, same in transforming mode. Robot mode, actually. Yeah. It turns left, then right, and then left. Okay?
Okay, put it here.
Okay, my mommy and daddy bought this car. Yeah, for Thai Pongal. Yeah, Thai Pongal is in English. It is a celebration. Yeah, for Tamil Nadu people.
Tamil Nadu people, it's Sri Lankan people as well.
Sri Lankan people. Okay, Sri Lankan people. Yeah. And Tamil Nadu people.
All Tamils all over the world.
And Tamils all over the place, okay?
All over the place. Okay, all over the world, okay.
But you just said all
Okay,
over
alright,
the place.
fine, okay, Tamil people.
All over the world, okay? Okay, the Tamil people could be anywhere. Like I'm Tamil people, example. Yeah, that's Tamil Nadu and Sri Lankans all over the world. Yeah?
So what is the...
Okay, so you know about my mum and dad bought me this because it's a Thai Pongal because today was a very happy day. Yeah, we watched one film and now we're going to watch another film.
What is the movie you watched?
Huh?
What movie you watched?
Master.
Oh, Master, who's
No, do you know the part? Do you know the movie that was released? Yeah, the movie that was released. Yeah, we had the Master trailer. Yeah, that's what we watched. Yeah, it was updated on January 14th today. Yeah, now we finished watching it. There's Vijay, which is Joseph Vijay and Vijay Sadupati. Yeah, and now we're gonna watch Bhumi. Yeah, but I really wanted to unbox this present.
So how was the Master movie?
Good.
Good.
At the end, there's the fight scene. At the end. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you like about the Master movie?
I thought we were gonna explain about a car.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Tamil Nadu is where to understand. Yeah.
Okay.
So So this is what so it transforms, yeah, and I like Transformers. Yeah, Transformers can transform.
Okay, let's transform this.
Hold on, Gold Blast? Oh,
So what do you name this toy?
Gold Blast.
Gold Blast?
Yeah, Gold Blast.
Gold Blast.
Yeah. Yeah, GOLDBLAST. Gold Blast. Yeah?
Okay, transform to car mode.
Easier said than done. Vroom, 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 vroom. Don't you like the shiny metal? Yeah?
Let me see.
Yeah, it looks like glazing up on the stars. Yeah? Okay.
Let me have a close look.
Hey, Daddy, Daddy, don't break it, okay? I don't want you to break it like my others. Firstly, the wheels are touching the ground. Oh, I think you know why they're not touching the ground. Yeah, because this is the thing that makes this is the thing that makes it move.
Let me see.
Right. Oh. This is the thing that makes it move. Yeah. Yeah, when the tires move, yeah. Yep. So that's all about my car. Yeah. I wish you had a nice day. Yeah, and have a nice Thai Pongal. Okay. Bye.